Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to rotate canvas in Photoshop. So click on image and here is the option rotate canvas 180 degree. If you have any image, so you will see effect. Okay, now to rotate canvas, click on image and here is the option rotate canvas 90 and 180. Also guys, you can rotate and you can flip canvas horizontal or you can flip canvas vertical. So this is the easy and simple way guys to rotate canvas in Photoshop. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.